Welcome to Libertex. Silver could be primed for serious price action in 2021, and some analysts predict that we will see silver reach triple digits in the not-so-distant future. As market uncertainty prevails, safe haven assets like silver tend to thrive. As the underdog in the safe haven asset sector, the fundamentals point to silver as one of the strongest candidates for long-term returns in the current market climate. In this video, we'll be going over the latest news and price movements for silver, as well as a silver price prediction for April 2021. Stay until the end of this video for an updated technical analysis on silver to get a read on what levels silver will need to test in order to realize a breakout. And if you'd like more content on silver, as well as the other safe haven assets, cryptocurrency, the top stocks, forex pairs, and more, make sure to join our growing community of traders and investors by subscribing to our channel and smashing the like button to help us reach our goal of providing the best content from inside the markets. So without further ado, let's talk silver. A high degree of uncertainty concerning the outlook of silver was experienced leading up to the Federal Reserve's interest rate announcement that took place in the third week of March. The announcement by Fed Chairman Jerome Powell signaled a continuation of near-zero interest rates that could potentially last until 2023, but avoided comments on the Fed bond buying program, which ultimately increased uncertainty in investor sentiment. Furthermore, the Fed signaled probability that the target inflation rate of 2% will, in reality, come in higher than 2%. The result of this update from the Federal Reserve helped to increase the desire to hedge against the US dollar, even with the US dollar trading at slightly stronger levels recently. Inflation and interest rates are two major factors that influence the price of silver. When interest rates are low, silver tends to benefit, and when inflation rises, silver tends to veer bullish. The logic is simple enough to understand. When there is inflation and fiat currency weakens, traders and investors look to bullion as a safer alternative to hedge against the uncertainties of the market. In times of turbulence, silver shines. What's more, the fundamentals of silver as we head into April point to an uptick in demand that may far outweigh supply. There is now a near 35% divergence between the spot and acquisition price for silver, which has some investors optimistic that silver will reach new all-time highs, with predictions running beyond $100. While it is unlikely that this will happen in April, the bullish outlook was strengthened by the Fed update, as silver held and closed above $25 following the event, which was taken as a heavy indication of strength. Let's jump into the technical chart for silver to get a better read on where silver could potentially trade in the month of April, and what support and resistance levels we need to be watching out for to see silver make its next big move. Alright, we are now in the Libertex terminal looking at the technical chart for silver for the past year, and it's pretty clear that silver has been in a consolidation period for the past 6 months, with a visible, albeit slight trend to the upside that is supported by its linear regression channel. Looking at the 6-month, silver experienced some lows for the month of March at around $24.80. From where silver is currently trading at, the $25 level of support is the level that traders will want to stay above to cast off bearish sentiment. In the short term, however, silver traders should look to the $25.40 area as a level of support. And reversing the course, the $26 level of support was recently shifted into a level of resistance, and traders should demonstrate caution if we do see a modest break over this $26 level, as silver could see an increase in the presence of sellers at this point. The good news for silver, however, is how silver has performed following the Fed announcement. The fact that silver did not manage to break below $25 even after some selling at the $26 level is a good sign that silver may be able to catch up to its safe haven peers in the near to distant future. Taking into consideration the disparity between supply and demand, especially factoring in the increase in demand that the recovery will likely have on silver, many traders are viewing the current levels of silver as buying opportunities for the next break upwards. If silver can break and hold above this level of resistance at $26, the next area of resistance to watch for can be found at around $30. And the level, and in the event of stagflation, which should bring serious volume into the price levels for silver, the next level would be around $46 to look for as an area of resistance, which may be tested and could ignite the start of a silver renaissance that could extend throughout the next several years. What are your silver price predictions for April? Let us know your thoughts on silver in the comments to join the conversation with our analysts. If you're interested in opening up trades and positions with silver, it couldn't get more simple. Libertex is the favored brokerage and platform for traders of silver, gold, and more, and opening an account is free and easy. Head over to libertex.com or via the links in the description below to start your trading journey today. We hope you enjoyed this silver price analysis video, and if you did, we'd highly appreciate your support to help us make more content on silver by leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. We wish you a great month of trading in the markets and look forward to seeing you next time.